Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about how you can get travel support. That means if you have a dream of traveling to Germany, of traveling to US, or traveling to Canada, Australia, South Africa, any country of your choice, yes, I'm going to show you a website that will be sponsoring your traveling, but they're ready to sponsor you to any level. And there are a lot of people who have been getting support, travel support from this website. Of course, all you need is just to register for free, okay? And you see, they'll start donating money to fund your travel. It's very easy. And when you take a look at the cost of transportation, the cost of flight, the cost of train today, it's very expensive, of course. So there are people who are also ready to sponsor you for any travel of your choice. So please stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to expose a lot in this video. Now, what I want to let you know is that this is not a joke because this company, this website gets over 100,000 visitors every month. That tells you the amount of volume, the amount of people visiting this website. They need people to help them, okay? They want to get that fund. They want to get that travel support. It doesn't cost you anything. All you need is a valid email address. Of course, you need your name, you register, and then by the time you get this support, they will definitely send the money to your bank account. Now, remember, in this channel, I talk about how to make money, and I'm continue showing you many ways you can make money. And whatever I'm about to talk here, I've also verified all these things before coming out to, do a video about them. So the truth is, everyone needs support in one way or the other. So if you have a dream of traveling out, especially some of you that have visa to travel out and maybe the cost of flight, maybe you don't have money for your flight ticket, you don't have money for your train or any means of transportation that you want to use, of course, they are ready to help you. Let's assume you want to travel for a career or you want to travel for treatment. You need money. There are some people that maybe they need to travel to India, they need to travel to Germany, US for a treatment, but the amount of money they have is not up to what they need. Of course, this website, you'll be getting support for that treatment that you really want to travel for. They are ready to help you. They want to see you travel. They want to see you achieve your goals. Okay. Now, there are so many websites out there that are promising people that they will help you, but a lot of them are fake. But I want to tell you that this particular one, they are really, really helping a lot of people. Yes. That is why you can see they have over 100,000 monthly visitors. Of course, this website was founded in 2013. That's over 11 years. Wow, 11 years they have been helping people. And I'm going to tell you one thing about this website. The company headquarters is in the United States of America. Okay, now for me, if it is not bad for someone to seek for help, it is not bad for you to go register there, ask them to fund your travel, register there, ask them to fund that your educational travel, that your tourist travel, or that your treatment. You want to travel for a treatment, or maybe you are traveling for a skill acquisition or you want to go and learn something new. They are ready to help you. So all you need to is just once you register with your valid email address and your name, then definitely you'll be posting what you need their support for. If you need their support based on that you are going for educational travel or whatever, then they will start donating money for you. People will be using it and it is all for free. Yes, you are not registering with any money. You are not making any payment. You are not paying anybody any money for anything. So what I want to tell you is that just go to fundmytravel.com. You can see it on the screen, fundmytravel.com. With fundmytravel.com, you'll be getting a lot of fun. Of course, you can see other people who have been seeking for help. You can see the amount. Some people have already gotten over $2,000. Some have gotten $3,000 support. Some have gotten $10,000 support. There was somebody that got over $20,000 support. It depends on how people really feel about that's your dream, that travel that you really want to. People are ready to support. There are a lot of people who are looking for people. They're looking for people who really have dreams. For example, there are people who maybe their major goal is to support those that need medical travel. Maybe they want to travel for a treatment and they want to save the life of somebody. So they are ready to donate. They are ready to support you because you are traveling for a treatment and they want to see you survive. That is why they are about funding. There are people, maybe they've gotten a job. Maybe you are living in Africa, you are living in Asia, or you're living in any country and maybe you have gotten a job and you don't have transportation or flight tickets to travel and start this job. And they know that, of course, this is a good development. People might want to support you. Or I say, you have gotten this, we are going to support you to travel. Some people are traveling for sports. So please, I want to tell you, just go to fundmytravel.com. Register is free. Register with a valid email address. If you have a Gmail, Yahoo Mail, of course, you can register with any valid email address that is functioning, and then you're good to go. Next thing you're going to do is publish and post what you need their help for, what you want them to, why the reason you need them to fund your travel. And after that, you will be getting massive support from different people around the world, supporting your dream, supporting that travel you really want to travel. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. Definitely, I'll bring out different videos on how you can make money, how you can get different ways of making money online. They are genuine. People are making money using these means. So hit the subscription button, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. Once again, thank you for stopping by.